Welcome to the McNees Litigation Podcast Series. In this video podcast, Attorney James Franklin discusses the security concerns surrounding digital assistance devices and the impact these devices may have on litigation proceedings. Mr. Franklin is a member of the litigation, insurance law, and personal injury practice groups at McNees.
Every so often you hear in the news about some smart-enabled device that has recorded a conversation or may contain information that either the police or some investigator wants to get as part of their investigation. These devices can include Amazon Echoes, Google Homes, smart TVs, or nowadays any device that is listening for verbal commands. This can include a washer, dryer, or even an oven. Most of these devices have resided in your home, and therefore concerns about these devices, which may include privacy concerns or what happens with that information, or could that information be used against you in a litigation context, have centered on the home. But now we're seeing these devices come into your vehicle. What do I mean? Well, a few months ago, Amazon announced that they would be coming out with something called Amazon Echo Auto. And current plans are to have this roll out sometime in 2019. What is an Echo Auto? It's pretty much what it sounds like. They have taken their Amazon Echo for the home, repackaged it into a smaller platform, and made it for your car. Plug in your cigarette lighter, piggyback off your cell phone network. What will it do? Pretty much what an Echo could do or a similar device could do in your home. If you want to order a pizza while you're driving, you can do it. Look for a book or a podcast or music and buy that? You can. Order products through Amazon? Sure. So you can see it pretty much does everything the Echo device could do in your home. So why are we talking about it? If it's the same thing as an Echo just for your car, it's not even out yet, why are we talking about it? Well, this device just represents another example of how technology continues to raise privacy concerns and questions about how this information could be used against you for purposes of litigation. Again, what do I mean? Privacy. This device, you need to understand how it works. And if it's in your vehicle, all of your passengers need to understand how it works. These devices listen for audible commands, so they're always listening. What happens to that information? Who gets access to that communication, that conversation? Where is it stored? Is that device prone to hacking? It's just a consideration you want to think about before you get into a car with that device. Then, what happens if you're in a motor vehicle accident? That device may contain information that could say what you were doing or not doing at the time of the accident. That's information that the police may want to know as part of their criminal investigation, or another side may want to know as part of a civil litigation. So were you paying attention to the road, or were you making a grocery list on that device? Were you watching for pedestrians, or were you having the device give you a Harry Potter trivia contest? That's information the police may want to find out. And when they get to access that information, they may get other information about you, such as what books do you read? What things have you purchased on Amazon in the past year? That's information you may or may not want to get out into the public. So these are just issues you want to consider, you want to think about, you want to understand so you can make an educated decision about whether this device and devices like it are right for you. The litigation and personal injury groups at McNees Wallace Nurick regularly monitor for updates affecting the motoring public. If you'd like more information on this topic, please contact us using the information on the screen. Thank you.